Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to enable Help Me Write in Gmail. First thing first, open Gmail on your browser and then click on the Compose button on the left hand side or open an existing email thread to reply. Now at the bottom left of the Compose window, click the Help Me Write button. Type a short prescription of what you want the email to say, for example, request advice, invite colleagues, or ask my friend. Now click Create and Gemini will generate a draft based on your prompt. After that draft appears, you can edit, add details, or adjust the tone before sending. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.